What kind of weapons does Delta Force actually use? Not movie props. Not game guns. These are the real-world firearms, trusted by one of the most elite special forces on Earth. This is the Sig Sauer MCX Spear LT, a lightweight, modular assault rifle designed for special operations. It's reliable, suppressor-ready, and perfect for fast, close-quarters missions. This is the HK416D, one of the most trusted rifles in the world. Built for durability, accuracy, and reliability in the toughest combat environments. This is the Sig Sauer M7, the new generation U.S. Army carbine. Compact, powerful, and optimized for modern battlefield needs. This is the Sig Sauer MCX LVAW, a suppressed, low-visibility assault weapon built for stealth missions where silence is critical. This is the Sig Sauer MCX Spear, designed for superior long-range performance with high-power ammunition for elite forces. This is the Novisk Gen 3, premium AR-style rifle known for precision, smooth shooting, and high-end build quality. This is the Novisk Gen 4, an upgraded, lightweight rifle offering extreme accuracy and reliability for professional operators. This is the Cold M4A1 SIP-Mod Block 2, the classic special operations carbine, fully customizable with optics and mission-ready attachments. The Barrett MK22ASR, a modular multi-caliber sniper system used by elite units. Designed for extreme precision at long range, it allows operators to switch calibers depending on the mission. The SR-25 is a semi-automatic sniper rifle trusted for accuracy, reliability, and fast follow-up shots. Perfect for designated marksman roles in modern combat. The M110A2 SASS, a next-generation sniper support rifle. Built for suppressed precision fire while keeping the shooter hidden and silent. The HK417, a battle rifle chambered in 7.62 NATO, delivering heavy stopping power with assault rifle handling. Ideal for medium-range precision and urban combat. The HKG-28, a designated marksman rifle built for accuracy, reliability, and stability. Designed to bridge the gap between assault rifle and sniper platform. The Barrett M107A1, a .50 caliber anti-materiel rifle capable of disabling vehicles and hard targets at extreme distances. Legendary recoil system, massive power. The Desert Tech HTI compact bullpup anti-materiel sniper rifle chambered in .50 caliber. Designed for extreme long-range accuracy while staying lighter and shorter than most heavy sniper platforms, perfect for mobility and maximum stopping power. This is an offensive hand grenade designed for close quarters combat. Instead of spreading deadly fragments, it delivers a powerful shockwave to stun and neutralize targets in confined spaces. It's used during room clearing and hostage rescue missions where precision matters. This is the Delta Force Sidearm, a custom-built tactical pistol designed for reliability in the most extreme missions. Equipped with a red dot sight, suppressor-ready barrel, and a powerful weapon light, this pistol is built for speed, accuracy, and close-quarters combat. This is the RQ-20 Puma, a tactical reconnaissance drone used by elite special operations units. Lightweight, portable, and hand-launched, it provides real-time surveillance from the sky, day or night. This is the RQ-11 Raven, a small tactical drone used by frontline units for real-time surveillance. Lightweight and hand-launched, it gives soldiers a live view of the battlefield from above. These are special-purpose tactical drones, built for missions where standard drones cannot operate. From tethered Overwatch platforms providing non-stop aerial surveillance, TOOD ground drones supporting bomb disposal teams. These systems deliver real-time intelligence and life-saving support on the battlefield. This is the M72LAW, a lightweight, single-use anti-tank rocket launcher. Portable, simple, and deadly, it allows soldiers to quickly engage armored vehicles and fortified positions on the battlefield. The FGM-14H Javelin, a fire-and-forget missile designed to destroy modern armored tanks.